Hello dear viewers, James Braithwaite here. Hope you can see me doing this, but no job too small for me. I'm just fitting the wipers on a Nissan NV400. Bit of a menial job, but there we go. I'll do all my help when I can. I've got a day off work today. Chicken. Yep, perfect. It's just a simple matter of hooking them straight in the click. Yeah, you?
You're not struggling, are you?
No, not at all. This will be a good clean wipe. They like checking on them. Anyway, right. Okay. Right. Yes. I haven't got the crucibles, so I can't test them, I'm afraid, dear viewers, but let's have a look. Let's show you what a nice new blades there. See? Simple job, really. See you in the next one. Bye.